Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to do some more coasters. If you like to see what paints I'm using, or at least my base and my mix, go to video number 155 and I show you which ones I use. So in the last one I did some blooms, some squash and swirl blooms, and I really liked it. And I thought I would have no more paints left over, but I did. So why not try a swipe squash and swirl? So I'm going to try and wet my canvas, or at least my little coaster. Just a little layer. And I'm going to put down some more here. As a little bit of a pillow. And then I'm going to use my colors. And I have a lot of gold left over. So I'm doing 4 coasters. I'm just thinking about dividing everything into 4. This is a bologna shell by Bling It. Then I've got some purple mix, green, then mauve, some a little bit of brown. Oh, I should have put the pink underneath because I've got a lot of it. Let's do that in the next ones. And some blue green. That should be more than enough. Okay, I'm going to use my palette knife and my cell activator. So this is Oxide black and a little bit of burnt sienna just to make it a little bit less dark or less blackish. I never know how much to use. I'm just using a lot and see how it goes. I think I need even... Let me see if I can smush it a little bit all over. Okay. And let's try and swipe it. Okay, so let's try and do the swirl and smoosh. Okay. It's looking really cool. Let's spin it, see what happens. Oh, that's cool. Okay, let's give it a big spin. Almost just that little corner. Let's see if we can pick up a little bit of this. Put it on there, spin it one more time. I'll maybe add a little bit paint to the side here because it helps move the rest. Okay, let's spin it. Gorgeous. It's absolutely stunning. stunning. Wow, look at that movement. This is gorgeous. Okay, let me take this one off and we do it again. Okay, so let's add the colors, and I'm going to start with the pink this time because I have a whole lot of it. So put the Activator on my big palette knife. So I just got these at the Teddy. It's like a dollar store in Germany, and they're just for doing cakes, decorating cakes. Let's see if this one wants to sell up, otherwise I have to help it a little bit. And let's just start smooshing. So I'm putting the palette knife underneath my base layer, my pillow, and just trying to slowly move it to the center while rotating my spinner. Okay, making sure my base is wet. I want this to go off first, so I'm going to move it a little bit to that side before I spin. Like so. Pop that bubble. Okay. Let's spin this one. Okay. So I need to get my edges a little bit more wet so the paint flows a little bit more easily over it. Because paint doesn't like to move on dry areas. So I'm going to move it over just a little bit more to this side. Okay. Make sure no more paints go flying. And spin. Okay. Let's see if it wants to move a little bit more. It's not moving a whole lot, so I'm just gonna do one baby spin. I don't want to have too much paint left, so it has a tendency to crack. So one more spin. And there you go. Second one done. Let's move on to the third. I'm really sorry for all the loud noises. They decided to mow the grass today. just gonna try and move it over to that side a little bit. Let's give it one more big spin. I think I made the mistake by smooching it too much, but I don't mind. I still think it's really pretty. So let's do one more. So let's layer the last one. Let's wipe the last one. Wow. Oops. Look at the sides. Look at that. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh. There's a big bubble here. There's still a lot of paint on here. Let's give it one more spin. Let's see, when the light's on there, there's a couple more bubbles. Okay. So I think I'm done. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you like my videos, it does help me a lot. I've noticed that like 96% of the people watching isn't subscribed. It's just a click of a button, it's free, and it helps me so much with my channel. So thank you for watching, and I show you the dry results at the end. Bye everyone!